Engineering design. So let us know what is engineering design. So simply telling, engineering design is a discipline which makes and alters ideas as well as concepts into product that fulfills all the requirements of a customer. So engineers are involved in engineering design. So they will combine science, technology and creativity to develop the products. The various steps involved in engineering design: identifying the design needs, conducting research, brainstorm and plan, select a solution, build a prototype, test and evaluate, redesign to improve. So these are the steps that are been involved in the engineering design. So identifying the design needs, first one. The process in the first step usually contains listing of the product function and the customer requirement and expectations about the product future. So just to think of, you are starting the product design, and during the first process you have to identify why you are designing an object. So when you are identifying why you need to make this product design or product, then you have to think of customers. What is the needs of the customers? So you'll collect all the data in this process. Conducting research. Now you'll make the research on the product. So people from diverse backgrounds and expertises is design engineers in researching and access the existing products or solution and identifying the adaptable technologies. Catering to the present needs. Brainstorm and plan. So since design engineering is a mix of science and creativity, there can be more than one solutions to create a product. Brainstorming the possible solutions with a team of experts play a vital role in engineering design process. Imaging the best possible solutions and selecting the most prominent one helps deliver the expected outcomes. Plan according to gather all vital inputs and step up to the next course of action. So that is brainstorm and plan. So for a single problem there will be various solutions. So you will have to pick up a good solution from that and you will have to plan according to that. Select a solution. In this phase of all the possible solutions, what you will do, you will select one solution which will meet the best requirement of the products and the customer, and easier for modeling a prototype using CAD or the CAE software. Now build a prototype. In this phase you will create a physical or virtual model. Prototype helps companies validate the product functioning, fit, form and ergonomics. This further helps to enhance product design performance. The advent of CAD software has made prototyping easier. Test and evaluate. Now what you will do? Testing and evaluating the prototype on a given criteria is a key step in the engineering design. Identifying the flaws that this stage helps to rectify them and eliminate the quality compromising element from the design. So here testing and evaluation takes place. Redesign to improve. In case whatever test or evaluation is done fails or it has to be redesigned, so you'll try to improve it and redesign it. So this is a redesign and improve phase. So next is product design process. Already we know what is engineering design and what are the steps involved in it. So product design process, the process is a series of steps which different companies focus to different steps. While it is impossible to provide a universal design process that fits all products, it is still possible to describe a general flow for designing new products. This flow includes the following steps. Concept generation. So here the concept will be generated. Concept screening. Then once a suitable number of concepts have been generated, it is necessary to choose the design most suitable for to fulfill the product requirement set out. So this is a concept screening. The product design specification should be used as the basis of any decision being made. The chosen concept will be developed in the detail. Feasibility study. Next, the feasibility study will be conducted. Conducting a feasibility study of a concept helps to have a closer look of all details of the product. So this in turn helps to transform the product concept into a product layout that defines various subsystems and functional components. Preliminary design. The product layout developed in the previous stage is transformed into a detailed design with all the dimensions and specifications necessary to make the design specified on a detailed drawing of the design. Information related to selection of materials, size and shape, definition of geometry, details regarding assembly of components and other sequence of activities is developed. Design evaluation and improvement. So here the purpose of this stage is to examine the preliminary design to determine any requirements for further improvement. There is a need to verify in detail the degree to which the proposed design matches the design specifications. Three techniques which can be used in design evaluation and improvement: quality function deployment QFD, matrices, value engineering VE, and Taguchi methods. Building prototype. Here the prototype will be built. Either maybe a physical one or it may be a computerized one. Executing final design. Then the final design will be executed. So these are the product design process steps.